Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcomes you to Easy Money Show. Nifty at all-time highs, now at levels of 15,700. What next? SGX Nifty is indicating another 40 to 50 point gap up open. So we should be opening at around 15,750. The US payroll data which came told that markets will take it positive because still the tepid policy continues, and for US market which closed at high, the reaction was already positive by Asian market. For me today, the cases of corona, if you see for last 24 hours, it is only 1 lakh 1000, and at the peak we had even gone above 4 lakh 10,000 cases getting added every day, and now this number is just 1 lakh 1000. And I won't be surprised if we see from tomorrow onwards the number going to 4 digit, and this is a good sign. And I repeat, by first week of July we would have forgotten the wave 2 of corona. And if you see across country, the number of challenges what we used to face for hospital beds, oxygen, all this has drastically come down. And is it going next to zero? And once you are getting even vaccinated and the vaccination drive is very much on, market will now start taking the new cues. And it is not now to buy the overall market because these positives are there. This has already been discounted in price, and you should have bought before when I was shouting with thumping the table saying that this is the time to invest in right stocks. And you have already seen even the power of Adani Power, which was recommended before the stock hit the 5% circuit yesterday. And if you see now, PSU banks, especially smaller ones like your Punjab National Bank, even smaller ones like your Bank of Baroda, these stocks can start now giving some amount of outperformance. But do remember, SBI and Canara Bank will be still my top two bets when it comes to PSU Bank. And when it comes to private bank, even now money can be made for a long term investor by putting money into HDFC Bank and your ICICI, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank. These are the banks where you have to put your money. Now I get lot of inquiries about how is Yes Bank for long term. In fact, I was the first person who made this statement in the entire world. Say no to Yes Bank. And again, I repeat, even at current price, at 450, I said say no to Yes Bank. At even 300, I was shouting say no to Yes Bank. Even at 150, I said say no to Yes Bank. Even in double digit, I said say no to Yes Bank. Even now, currently at 15 rupee, I say no to Yes Bank. Now people wonder, when a 450 rupee stock is available to you just at a throwaway price of 15 rupees, why should I not buy? And if I lose only 15 rupees, but if I gain big. This is wrong understanding, because you will not just lose 15,000 rupee. If you have with you 15,000 rupees, you would have bought at 15 rupee with 15,000 capital, let us say 1,000 shares of Yes Bank. And if Yes Bank falls, you will not just lose 15 rupees, that multiply the by the quantity what you have, that is what you will be losing. And let me also tell you, today's Yes Bank and what it was before is not the same. And as the company keeps deteriorating, that is already reflected in the price. And for each one of you, I will tell you a easy way to find out why Yes Bank is still not a great buy at even current levels. Let us look at chart check of Yes Bank asked by many people in my comment section below. So if you see the chart of Yes Bank which is coming to you right now on the screen, what I have done is, first of all, you have to see what is the trend. So if you see the trend, even a shorter term trend on Yes Bank is definitely on the downside. So this stock is facing stiff resistance now at levels closer to 21. Let me mark that number. This stock will definitely not give you any big momentum on the upside unless it goes at least above these levels of 21, which I'm just telling you now. So it has to pass this level of 21 for a trading buy. I will say for an investment buy, this is a big no. And that's the reason I keep repeating, say no to Yes Bank. And let me tell you why. In fact, people who have done the program Zero to Millionaire, you can see in my Twitter handle, I am Rudramurthy, given in the description below. See the number of people who are expressing their results and those who are talking from their Twitter handle about the program Zero to Millionaire. Yes, it's a 3 full day life transformation program, and people who have experienced it, they have spoken their entire 3 days journey in Zero to Millionaire program. You can watch that on my Twitter handle, I am Rudramurthy. And those people can now clearly understand, even for long term, Yes Bank is not a buy, because they understand on a longer time frame. When I use even a 200-day moving average and check, the stock is trading way below the 200-day moving average. And in fact, if you now check the 200-day moving average on the stock, it is nowhere, the stock currently is nowhere trading near even to those levels. It has to just go far. And let me also tell you, not only that, first of all, basically when the trend of the stock itself is down, where is the question of even looking for long term investment? And also, let me tell you, how do you identify trend? Trend is nothing but the direction in which prices are moving. How do you see uptrend, downtrend, and sideways trend? All these learnings is what we had in our Zero to Millionaire program. And let me tell you, this is a wrong stock to select if you want to make investment, even for trading purpose, just to make some short term return. Why should I buy Yes Bank for trading when I have stock like Adani Par, which I recommended to you guys, and in a weak market that stock went and hit the upper circuit? How do you select these type of stocks? Yes, for that you require definite knowledge on understanding of technicals. That is where learning gives you tremendous amount of earning. Wherever you get value, and if what you pay is way below what you get as value, that is when your margin of safety is high, and investing in yourself gives you the highest return on investment. Now, because many people now wants to do this program, I've just taken another last week of this month as a schedule to do my program Zero to Millionaire. It will be on 25, 26, and 27th of January. Go right now to my Twitter handle, see the feedback of people who have already attended last 3 day program of Zero to Millionaire. And if you want to also join hands and learn and earn to see your financial freedom, I want you guys to just right now go to description and look at ztmindia.com website, where all information about the program is available. This will be my last live program on ZTM. Do not miss it if you are very serious to be a profitable trader. And for Yes Bank, even now I'm saying, based on the chart analysis what I showed you, this is definitely still a no. Yes, you might be holding the stock. Now the question comes, what should I do? So you have to look at an exit door as early as possible, and for some reason, whenever you get any spike in the stock, you have to get out. In fact, when the news of SBI and few other banks coming together and who got allotment for Yes Bank at lower level, this stock went non-stop till 40, 50, 70, 80 rupees. And there were people who thought this stock will go back to 450, and they were buying at 40, 50, 70, 80. Those guys are also in loss today. Any spike, even at current level, I will say, let it go further up, no problem. Rather than hoping and wishing in these type of stocks, I'm sure if you would have put that money in Adani Par, you would have already made a 5% upper circuit move, what you saw on Friday in a weak market. And I won't be surprised if this stock continues to go further up and up, and that is where money can be made. Don't lose capital, and also don't lose the opportunity of profits which are available in other stocks. So this is where the more learning comes. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and lot of learning in this video for you. And I'll be coming out evening with another special video. All the best, happy trading, taking off, and we will just see you today evening. Thank you, take care, and do forward this video to as many people as possible, and join hands with me to spread the right financial literacy. Subscribe to your channel Rudrology, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notification. Yesterday and day before, for the weekend, I had uploaded 2 videos, and in our series Profitable Options, I've already uploaded 5 videos someone who wants to understand option trading from the very basic, freely I have uploaded. Go to the playlist profitable options in Rudralogy channel and do watch all of them. Learn and earn unlimited. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.